Alum Crystals video 2. So today we're going to talk about the current growth in our vials, and we're going to talk about our percent yield in our experiment. So first of all, talking about current growth in our vials, as you can tell, there is some growth right there. I'm not sure if that's the process of becoming alum crystals or not, but that's what's there so far. It's just kind of like it's not solid, it's almost like a saliva-like texture. Looking at the current growth, and as you can tell also, there is a significantly less amount of water in our vial than last week. I am approximating that we've lost about half a centimeter of water. Because my vial is in my room, I think that may be slowing down the rate of evaporation and thus the rate of the formation of our alum crystals. And like I said last week, I speculated that one of the problems was that I had 2 layers of Kim wipes on my vial instead of 1, and I changed that, and it definitely did speed up the process of evaporation, but it just doesn't seem like any crystals are growing. I'm assuming that this white substance in here that looks like kind of like saliva or white mold or white snowflakes in water, that is just the middle process of becoming alum crystals. Now on to the topic of percent yield. In order to find percent yield, I first had to calculate the theoretical yield, which is right here, and then I had to recall what my actual yield was from my experiment. So in order to calculate theoretical yield, we started off with 1 gram of aluminum, we convert that into moles of aluminum, and we convert the moles of aluminum into moles of alum by using the ratio, the coefficient ratio. And from there we multiply that by the atomic mass of alum to get 17.58 grams of alum, which is our theoretical yield. For our actual yield, in the experiment, when we precipitated out the alum, we weighed 16.12 grams of alum as our actual yield. And so thus our percent yield is 91.695%, which is a very, very good yield. However, that missing 9.3% is probably due to the fact that we didn't precipitate all of the alum, because we didn't wait. I feel like we thought that the alum had precipitated fully already, and thus we stopped and we just took the precipitated alum that we had, when in fact there was still more alum to be precipitated. Or we did indeed have more of the actual yield, but we just failed to remove all of the alum and place it onto the weighing scale.